AI agents are about to change everything. And what about you? They'll be able to book your flight, make calls, schedule meetings, even coordinate with other AI. So, welcome to another video. I'm Carlos, your assistant to the world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a developer looking to build your next application, a business owner wanting to automate a complex workflow, or just someone fascinating about technology. In this video, you're going to learn everything you need to know about how AI agents work and how they're set to reshape the way we live. And we need to start with the first question. What exactly are AI agents? Agents are a specialized system built on top large language model like ChatGPT, but with three crucial differences. First, they have a specific purpose and expertise. Second, they can use tools to interact with other systems and applications. And third, they can make decisions about what action to take. For example, let's say you want to book a flight. With ChatGPT or any other AI model, you can get advice or maybe a list of options. But an AI agent could search different travel sites, compare different prices, pick the best one for your preference, and even fill out your form if you allow it to it. Agents are made up of four key building blocks. They have an instruction that sets the agent's personality and rulebook. You have the setting to set how creative, how random, or how focused your agent's response are. Then you have the model that is the brain behind your agent. And finally, the tools that allow your agent to interact with different systems and applications. Also, agents can collaborate, passing tasks between each other like a well-organized team. And this is called agent handoff. Any word like this, a primary agent receives your request, figures out what needs to be done, pick the right specialized agent for each part of the task, and that agent gets to work. Then the results pass back to the chain, to the primary agent, and finally you get the one clean complete response or task. And according to OpenAI CEO, 2025 is the year of agent, and they're going to transform how we complete the work. For developers, they're going to reduce the development time. For business owner and professional, agents can handle the repetitive tasks. And for creators, agents can help with new content ideas. In this video, I guide you step by step through building your first AI agent from scratch.